Imagine a world free of pollution, where the air is fresh, the oceans are healthy, and the forests are green and dense. Sounds cool, right? But the reality is, our Mother Nature is suffering from a crisis. Climate change, deforestation, wildfires, floods, ice sheets melting, and more. These are just a few of the biggest challenges we must address. But we have a solution. There's hope. Each one of us has the power to make a difference. By doing simple things like throwing trash in the proper bins, following the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle, and using eco-friendly items like eco bags, we can help protect our planet. Participating in local cleanup drives, planting trees for a greener future, and supporting environmental advocates. These actions may seem small, but they can make a big impact on our world. Let's save the nature for the future. Love the earth.